Hi everybody, this is Keshav from Make Your Millionaire Trade Secrets. Today we are going to see a very important discussion about candlesticks patterns. This is very basic and this is fundamental. You can build any strategies over this particular fundamental candlesticks. Okay, so let us don't waste the time. Let us quickly go into the section about try to understand what are the important candlesticks patterns are available and which one can be reliable for trading or for investment purposes. If you want to take it based on the candlesticks, let us see what are the reliable candlesticks are available. You might be seeing lot of green candles or red candles in your terminal or in your chart window, right? So let us understand what a green candle or what a red candle denotes. For example, if you see a green candle like this here, it opens at here one particular price level, and on that particular time frame candle, as usual, both the bulls and bears are there, right? They negotiate the price, and sometimes the bears take the control of this particular candlesticks and they put it the price low, and eventually bulls take the control of that particular candlesticks. They try to make the price very high and closes at here, or we can say open is greater than the close. Here full bulls or buying people are there in control. In the case of bearish candle or any red candle kind of a things, it opens at very higher. Okay, the bulls are making it try to very high, but eventually the bears take the control of this particular candlesticks and they make the push into price low, and eventually it get closed here. Okay, so this is the bulls in control, this is bears in control. Or if you see in another picture, if you see any kind of a green candle or red candle, if you see both the lows here or the prices are high, but you see the meaning of that. The price is open at here in the case of a bull, and the price is open at here in the case of a bears. It opens at very high and it opens at very low in the case of a bull. And someone try to push it down, but bulls take the control price to high. Fully buyers are in control. In the case of sellers or in the short candle, price opened here, try to push it up here, but eventually bears take the control, it push the price down here and eventually close here. Okay, this is a very typical scenario for any green or red candle for any type of a market like a equity market or a commodity market or any kind of a currency market. Now let us try to understand the bullish or a bearish candlestick strength. What is the strength of each candle, which can be reliable for helpful for taking a decision? Okay, we will try to understand. So these are the different types of a green candle available in any kind of a charts. These are the different kinds of a bearish candles which you can available in any charts too. So let us understand about the levels of bullishness. If you see the levels of bullishness, this is most bullish. Okay, this is the most bullish, and this is the pin bar bullish. Okay, it was a pin bar, you can see a pin here, right? And over there it is a very much bullish. Sometimes they call it as a hammer or a hanging man, you can say bullish hammer. And this is a normal bullish, and head and tail will be there. And this is a neutral bullish, and this is a least bullish. These two, neutral or a least bullish, will change the direction based on the overall market sentiments. It will get changed, but these two are most reliable, most bullish and second bullish. Okay, always keep a note of this candle and this candle, both are like a reverse, right? But this is most reliable for the bullishness. In the case of bearishness, if you see here, this is most bearish and this is a pin bar bearish. Pin is here and it is here, it is a bearish. And this is like a normal bearish, and this is neutral bearish, and this is least bearish. So we can consider these two for shorting or a selling opportunity. Okay, if any kind of a resistance, this kind of a candlesticks are coming, you can consider or you can take a confirmation. If your other indicators also supporting, you can take it as a confirmation for shorting. Same ways in the case of a support line, if any kind of a support line, if it is coming like this, you can consider for buying if other indicators also supporting you. And we are going to discuss about one particular strategy or a candlesticks pattern which can helpful for the trading. Bullish powerful candlesticks pattern. The pattern which we are going to discuss is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing means just think actually you are in a downtrend market or last 4 or 5 6 candles are coming in down and down and down. Okay, if you see any candle like this, one green candle is completely solo by the green candle, sorry, one red candle is completely solo by a green candle. Here you can see one red candle is completely solo by a green candle. Okay, I can see actually the bullish candle or this new candle opens or at lower than the previous candle and closes. Okay, previous candle closes and it is trying to push the price up and up and get closed here, or in other words I can say this bullish candle closes above the previous candle open. This is the previous candle open, right? It closes at here. Or if you look into this particular body, this full body is completely engulfed by this particular big body. Or in simple words I can say this is completely inside this or completely solo. Okay, this is a trend, a downtrend, and we can see this pattern here. You can see any time frame pattern, whatever type of trader you have, like a 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour or 1 day trade candle or week candle. If you see kind of with this one, you can see it is a confirmation that it is going to uptrend. Okay, now let us see another powerful bullish candlestick pattern is like a hanging man or a hammer. Okay, this is also occurring or when during the downtrend, if you can look into this chart, during the downtrend, if you see any kind of a bullish pin bar or a hanging man or a hammer kind of a thing, everything looks very similar, right? This is called hanging. A long tail will be there, a big body will be, or a small body will be here. Here also you can see it. So it is completely down. Suddenly a bullish hammer or a pin bar came. The trend is going to be up. Okay. So two bullish powerful candles we learned. One is bullish engulfing and bullish pin bar or a hammer. Okay. These candles should come in a downtrend. Okay, if it is coming in a downtrend or in a continuous pattern, for example, you can see a breakout has happened and suddenly it pulled back, price has happened, and suddenly if you're seeing this type of candles, you can consider the bullish is going to be continuing again. Okay, and next we are going to discuss about the powerful bearish candlesticks pattern. Powerful bearish candlestick pattern, you have to look into the uptrend market. Whenever or any last 4 or 5 candles is going up and up actually based on a time frame, or last 4 or 5 days if the market is going up and up actually, and you see some kind of a nose coming or some kind of a resistance coming or some kind of a global economy is down or some other issues coming, you can see actually where this particular bearish engulfing is coming. Bearish engulfing means a completely or a big red candle will come. It is completely solo here inside. Completely solo here, so that it starts from the downtrend of that particular area. So usually this will come in the, as I told you, like uptrend market, or usually this will come in the resistance areas. You can see this type of candles will come, and that is a confirmation. If other indicators supporting, you can take your trade based on the direction. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell about the powerful bearish candlestick setup is that bearish pin bar. This is in a continuously uptrend market, and suddenly one day the bulls are trying to up and up, but eventually bears are taking the control and it closes here. This is called bearish pin bar. Okay, bearish pin bar. It is a big pin is there and is closing very below. That means actually more number of bears are sitting here. Definitely chances of market going up is very less. You can short it. Okay, with a stop loss of here or whatever strategy you have, you can do it. This is same like a bullish pin bar. Market is completely downside, and one particular day or one particular time frame, this type of bar, bullish pin bar will come. This is called pin actually, and this is like a hammer or a pin body will come on the top, so that you can consider for buying above this, and you can keep the stop loss here, or whatever strategy you follow, you can follow it. Okay guys, so very simply I discussed about two powerful bearish and also bullish candlesticks patterns I suggested you or recommended to you. Please practice this for the next 20 trading days. If possible, please write or please do a paper trading on this next 20 days, whatever time frame you are working on that. Then based on that, if you have any comments or if you have any kind of a query, if you have, please write it on in my comment section. I will immediately reply back to you and make this fundamental so strong. Okay, if you make the fundamental strong, actually you can build up on top of any strategies. You can build up, you can write a lot of moving averages or whatever strategies which we are going to discuss in the next upcoming sections. This patterns or this fundamentals should be the base. So make it very clear and learn completely and perfectly. You can take any number of candles, any number of charts, you can take it, and please find out this type of patterns and learn completely. You can see the results. Okay, we will see in the upcoming session with the more strategies and more candles patterns, so that you will be more strong and strong in the trading. Thank you. Thanks again.